Hello, I'm Dr. Dushyanth Kalva and I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Inform Clinics, Hyderabad. Today, I'm going to discuss a few points about hymenoplasty. Hymenoplasty is also known as revirgination. So, the concept of virginity as such is rapidly decreasing in modern day times. Even then, in a few pockets of places on earth and a few cultures, the concept of virginity still exists. So, for that purpose, this surgery is useful for such women who have to present themselves as virgins due to cultural reasons or interpersonal relationships, etc. What is done is the torn hymen, which is usually torn because of sexual activity or either due to sporting activity, which can be as simple as cycling or as extreme as athletics or any such things. So, due to any whatever the reasons may be, the hymen can now be reconstructed. So, this procedure is actually a daycare procedure. It's quite simply done in half a day. So, the patient is admitted in the morning and discharged in the afternoon. So, this procedure can be done in local anesthesia as well as bigger anesthesias like general or spinal anesthesias. So, what is done essentially in this procedure is the hymenal remnants or the parts of hymen that are left over after it is torn are reconstructed or reconstituted to create a hymenal membrane again. So, during this procedure, just the hymenal remnants are used, but neither is the vagina manipulated or any other reproductive organs manipulated during this procedure. That means, in essence, this is a very simple procedure where no long-term after effects like scarring or any other longer-term side effects are seen. So, the only word of caution is, when a person gets a hymenoplasty done, they should be a little careful to not rupture the hymen and be careful for about up to 4 weeks or when the time is right for the purpose for which hymen was created. So, things that have to be taken care of, they include avoiding strenuous sporting activity, running, climbing stairs or squatting down, which can cause the hymen to re-rupture again. So, or sexual activity. So, if someone takes care of these things for about 4 weeks or so, then they are good to carry on with their lives.